Ever stared at your phone, eagerly awaiting that sleek GrabPay card, wondering if it's going to materialize through your screen? You've linked your account, you've ordered it, and now, the waiting game. It's that modern-day equivalent of checking the mailbox every 5 minutes, isn't it? We've all been there. You're planning that big grocery run, or that online shopping spree, and you need that card, now. But how long is now exactly? Let's face it, in our digital-first world, instant gratification is the norm. We tap a button, and boom, our ride arrives, our food is delivered, or our favorite show starts streaming. So, when something tangible, like a physical card, is involved, the waiting feels, well, ancient. You're probably thinking, is it stuck in some delivery black hole? Did I enter the wrong address? Is it even real? Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand why this card matters. GrabPay cards have become a staple for many, offering seamless integration with the Grab ecosystem, rewards, and the convenience of contactless payments. It's not just a card, it's a gateway to a world of digital transactions. And the anticipation builds because you know it's going to make your life just a little bit easier. Now, let's get down to the brass tacks. How long does it actually take? The answer, as with many things, is, it depends. Generally, you can expect your GrabPay card to arrive within 3 to 7 business days after your order is confirmed. However, this time frame can vary based on several factors. First, your location plays a significant role. If you're in a major metropolitan area, delivery is usually faster. If you're in a more remote location, it might take a bit longer. Think of it like any other delivery service, logistics can impact the speed. Second, processing times can fluctuate. During peak periods, like holidays or promotional events, the volume of orders increases, which can lead to slight delays. Think of it like a popular restaurant during lunch rush, things just take a bit longer. Third, delivery services themselves can impact the timeline. While Grab partners with reliable couriers, unforeseen circumstances, like weather delays or logistical issues, can occasionally occur. To track your GrabPay card, you can usually find a tracking number or delivery status update within your Grab app or via email notification. This allows you to keep an eye on its journey and get a better estimate of its arrival. Don't hesitate to check your app regularly for the most up-to-date information. If you've waited longer than the estimated time frame and haven't received your card, don't panic. The first step is to double-check your delivery address in the Grab app. A simple typo can cause significant delays. If the address is correct, reach out to Grab's customer support. They can investigate the issue and provide further assistance. They're there to help, and they'll be able to give you a clearer picture of what's happening. Remember, patience is key. While the wait can be frustrating, the convenience and benefits of the GrabPay card are usually worth it. Think of all the seamless transactions and rewards you'll soon be enjoying. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.